Scammers, fraudulent emails, text messages and phone calls. We here at Payroll Matters, together with Revenue and An Garda Síochána, are urging PAYE taxpayers and our subscribers to remain vigilant against fraud, as it can affect any of us at any time. Criminal activity continues right throughout the year. We want to alert you to common scams relating to PAYE taxpayers that are becoming more and more prevalent each year. It just takes a second to get caught off guard, at times when you may at least expect it, and fall for a scam. Here is some information and ways to avoid being scammed. Revenue and An Garda Síochána are aware of fraudulent emails, SMS text messages and phone calls seeking personal information from taxpayers. These communications can appear to come from Revenue, but are actually sent by scammers. Fraudulent messages claiming to be from Revenue will often tell you that you are due a tax refund, or you must pay a tax bill immediately, sometimes to avoid a prosecution, a criminal case, or even a charge. Remember, Revenue will never contact you by email, SMS text messages, or phone call to inform you of a tax refund or a bill. So I repeat, Revenue will never contact you by email, SMS text messages, or phone call to inform you of a tax refund or a bill. Before I show you some examples and tell you about some practical ways to spot scammer emails and texts, please let me take 30 seconds to introduce myself and give you a little background. This is Pádraig here from Payroll Matters in Ireland, the Facebook page and social media platform for all PAYE workers and their employers to ask, get answers and find out about pay, PAYE income tax returns, statutory annual and public holiday entitlements, universal social charge, pay-related social insurance, pensions, redundancy, week one basis, statements of liability, emergency tax, tax credits, employee and employer statutory rights and obligations, and a myriad of other work and payroll related issues, all free of charge. Along with our Facebook page, we also have a YouTube channel called Payroll Matters, and this one. And we have a Facebook group called Payroll Matters in Ireland, and a LinkedIn and Twitter page also called Payroll Matters in Ireland. And new members, followers and subscribers are always welcome. The QR codes are here on screen, but the issue here is that you need another device to scan them. So your other option is to search for the group Payroll Matters in Ireland and pages, if you so wish. The type of email Revenue sent to PAYE taxpayers is like this one, to notify them that they have correspondence in their Revenue record and to log in to their account to see it. They may give an indication of what the subject matter of the correspondence is. Recommendations to consider for identifying scam emails or text messages. Revenue does not correspond with its customers through traditional email or SMS, giving information or seeking personal information. Instead, Revenue use a secure online service, ROS, and My Inquiries to send, receive and track correspondence. My Inquiries is available to customers through Revenue online services and My Account. The only email they will send is, as we said earlier, is one to notify you that you have correspondence on your Revenue My Account, and may give you the subject that it relates to. If you receive a message claiming to be from Revenue asking you to provide personal information, this is a scam. Scam emails or SMS claiming to be from Revenue can feature the sender using something other than a Revenue email address, poor grammar or spelling, an exact amount of money owed, urgency or a deadline to respond, or links to pages outside of revenue.ie. Most email services allow you to check the sender's email address by clicking on their name. If you notice that it does not come from an @revenue.ie address, you will know that it is a scam. Scammers may try to use an address that looks like one Revenue would use, so it is important to check. This is one example that we took from Revenue's website, which they use to demonstrate that this is fake, not from Revenue, and is a scam. Note the email address is not from revenue.ie. In all cases, never click on a link within these scam and phishing emails looking for you to give them personal data. On this example, check the sender's email address by clicking on their name. Note, as we said above, Revenue don't tell you in an email that you are eligible for a tax refund with the amount stated. This example is an obvious giveaway that it is a scam. If you are suspicious about an email or SMS you have received, do not click on any link in it. These links may attempt to trick you into giving personal information to scammers. Instead, manually type www.revenue.ie into your browser for more information or to access ROS or My Account. These are some samples from Revenue to demonstrate the type of fraudulent SMS text messages that do the rounds. Remember, there are several variations of these scam messages. Please don't be afraid to post a scam email or text you received in the comment section below. And this will help other users and subscribers to see examples of potential scam emails and text messages. Here are some recommendations for potential scam phone calls. Revenue will never contact you by phone and ask you to provide personal information. If you receive an unprompted phone call asking you for account, bank or card details, this is a scam. These callers may ask for your Revenue account, bank or card details. You should never give these details in response to an unexpected phone call. If you are unsure that a caller claiming to be from Revenue is legitimate, you should hang up. You can then contact Revenue using My Inquiries or the Contact Us page to follow up. Never use a phone number that you have been given in a suspicious email or phone call. If you have provided Revenue account details in response to an email, SMS, text message or phone call, reset your password immediately. If you have provided bank or card details, contact your bank or credit card company immediately. If you receive a call from anyone requesting any personal or financial information and you suspect them of attempting to scam you, then you should end the call and report the matter to your local Garda station or to any Garda station or to the Garda confidential line on 1800 666 111. Before I leave you for now, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit this subscribe button and also to turn on YouTube notifications for this channel. We have this video guide here on how you can turn on notifications for this channel so you can get an alert every time we post a new video guide, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to subscribe, but could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Go on. See you next time.